Hey everybody, Michael here, and today we're going to talk about Canva Docs, which has a robot that will do all the writing for you or your students. So I'm hanging out here in Canva Docs, and when you first look at it, it's pretty much like any other word processor, whether that's going to be Google Docs or Office 365 or whatever you use. It doesn't have all the benefits of, let's say, Google Docs where you can share files and things like that. So, I don't know, maybe it's not something you would necessarily need or use, but it does have a few cool features that might make it usable in certain use cases. So when you hit the plus button here, you see kind of all the regular stuff, headings, body, embedding if you're embedding code, tables, emojis, that's going to be a Canva version of emojis, so they're going to be a lot more. And then there's all these charts and stuff. A timer here if you needed a timer. I'm not sure I'd really use it, but it's there and available. The cool things on it are the design option here. And with design, then you can create a design and pull it right into this document. So it sends you off, here I'll show you, off to Canva, and then you create the design, and then you can embed it directly into that document. So that's kind of cool. Otherwise, you'd have to make it somewhere else or something. So just click here, the simple one, working from home. And it's going to show up right there as a header. So that's kind of neat. Probably the coolest or most interesting or scariest thing, depending on your point of view, is the AI, the artificial intelligence writing mechanism here. So if I click on Magic Write and I type in 5 reasons teachers are wonderful, let's see what happens. It's going to go out and do some brainstorming. Basically, it just searches the web for 5 reasons and then it lists them right there. So you could use that as story starters if you wanted, or if you're worried that students are going to use it inappropriately, maybe it's just good to know that it exists. And this stuff is going to get better, this artificial intelligence. This is just the beginning. You're going to see this as more the norm, I think, if you're a teacher that does a lot of writing. Or how about we put in something like California, see what it does there. And here it gives some information, just some basic information, something you could basically pull right off of Wikipedia or something like that. So anyways, check it out, see if you're interested in it. I just wanted you to be aware of its possibilities for good and for bad.